Hello guys, this is my report on body conditioning for volleyball players. Volleyball is a demanding sport that requires a combination of strength, power, agility, and endurance. Proper body conditioning is essential for volleyball players to perform at their best and prevent injuries. This report will outline key aspects of body conditioning for volleyball players. Strength training. Volleyball players need to develop overall body strength with a focus on the major muscle groups used in the sport. This includes the legs, core, shoulders, and arms. Compound exercise like squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, and overhead presses should be the foundation of volleyball players' strength training program. Plyometric exercise like box jumps and depth jumps can also help build explosive power. Next, flexibility and mobility. Flexibility and mobility are crucial for volleyball players to achieve a full range of motion in their movements and reduce injury risk. Stretching the hips, hamstrings, quadriceps, and shoulders should be a regular part of volleyball players' routine. Dynamic warm-ups before practice and games are also important. Next, agility and footwork. Volleyball requires rapid changes of direction, quick starts and stops, and precise footwork. Agility drills like ladder drills, cone drills, and shuttle runs can help volleyball players develop these skills. Plyometric exercise like box jumps and lateral bounds can also improve agility. Next, cardiovascular conditioning. Volleyball players need to have a strong aerobic base to sustain high-intensity efforts through a match. A combination of steady-state cardio, like running and cycling, and high-intensity interval training, like sprints, court-specific drills, can improve a volleyball player's cardiovascular fitness. And last is recovery and injury prevention. Proper recovery strategies such as hydration, nutrition, sleep, and active recovery activities are essential for volleyball players to maintain their performance and avoid overtraining and injuries. Injury prevention exercise targeting common volleyball injuries such as ankle sprains and shoulder impingement should also be incorporated. As a conclusion, comprehensive body conditioning is crucial for volleyball players to excel in the sport and stay healthy. A well-designed program that addresses strength, flexibility, agility, cardiovascular fitness, and recovery can help volleyball players reach their full potential. That's all. Thank you for watching.